Now we're learning that few protesters vandalized a signboard outside KIIT where the Nepalese student committed suicide in her hostel. Now, alongside the damage to the property, they raised slogans in protest, expressing their anger and frustration over the incident. And in fact, in response to the growing unrest, the authorities deployed a heavy police presence on campus to ensure that the situation does not escalate further and law and order situation is maintained. I want to come back to you, Riyanka, on this. Now, the Odisha government has also submitted and put out an action taken report. Take us through the pointers.
Well, at the moment, as I rightly mentioned, the Odisha government has gone ahead and they had formed in a committee yesterday, and several actions have been taken at the moment. Given the condition of the situation goes on to become quite tense after the suicide of the Nepali student there, and on the other hand, there are several measures that have been taken by the government of from the side of deploying a massive number of police forces there in order to maintain peace and calm in the university. But the students who continue to protest, they have been seen vandalizing the signboards near the university, also causing some sort of a disturbance to the public property. On the other hand, there are certain measures that have been taken by the university itself. It has been appealing the students, the Nepali students who they earlier asked to leave, appealing them to come back to the university, and also to the female students. The university has been asking them to file an undertaking. But if we talk about the Nepali students, they continue to say that they do not feel safe going back to the university. They do not feel safe given the university has shown racism towards them by asking them to leave. On the other hand, the government formed committee is doing its work, finding out the reasons for what prompted the girl to commit the suicide, and also the committee is also taking note as to why did the university not inform the state government before asking the Nepali students to leave the premise. So a lot of tension going on there in Bhubaneswar KIT University.
All right. Viewers, we continue to track all those updates and developments coming up from the KIIT campus in Odisha. For now, let's shift our focus. And thank you, Riyanka, for joining us.